So you're renting the NEO 1600 USA speaker. It's a 1,600 watt speaker and it can be used in a variety of ways. Today I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to use it successfully. Let's go over how to set these up. These speakers can be used in a variety of ways, either as a single or as a pair. When set up as a pair, put them 15 to 20 feet apart and slightly in front of the performers as to avoid feedback. Next, raise them up where the middle of the speaker is slightly above the head of the audience so that your sound projects nice and far. Let's take a look at the back of this speaker. First, simply plug it in to your wall and turn it on. Next, let's take a look at the mini mixer. It has a 2-channel mixer built into it. To use these, enact the mixer enable button. If using a microphone, plug in mic in. Simply turn it up, check, 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 2, until you get the desired level. If you're using the speaker in standalone or DJ mode, you can plug in the provided aux cable directly into channel 2, plug this into your laptop or mobile device, then turn up channel 2 until you get the desired level you want. When using this speaker with a mixer, simply take your line from your mixer, plug it into the input. It is then controlled by your master level. This speaker comes with a 2-button DSP control. This allows you to optimize the sound with how you have it set up. The first button is the with or without sub button. When enacted, this button will cut your lows and boost the highs. Your second button is club mode or concert. In the out position, concert mode is a full range loudspeaker. When using it without a sub, if you push the club mode in, it boosts the bass and you almost don't even need a sub, it's so powerful. And now you're ready to use your NEO 1600s with confidence. If you're using other components, be sure to check out the videos on those so you feel confident in using those as well. And never hesitate to call us for help at the Doo Wop Shop.